Greetings everyone, hope you're all keeping well out there. As I'm sure you all know by now, my name is Alex, and today we're going to go straight into this because we have received a little something from them wonderful people at VEENAX, and it is in fact the VEENAX PS10 wireless speaker. Now I'm quite excited about this, I'll be honest with you, because last time VEENAX sent me something, it was the POGO Sport wireless earbuds, and the sound from them was phenomenal. It really was, it blew me away. So I'm very excited about this because this wireless speaker, I'm hoping, as it's from the same people, aka VEENAX, that the sound quality will be just as good, if not better. So to start off with, we have the traditional cardboard box. I mean, there's no vibrant colour about it, but it does feel nice and secure. And then on the side here, we've got the continuation of the sticker from the front, which is technical specifications, 3 watt output, 85 decibels. That's quite loud, but this is good though, because if you're having a major party, then you want loud, but of course high quality music. On the back here, we've got a little barcode and it says VEENAX PS10 mini portable indoor application. Not speaker, it says indoor application. I like that. So let's open it up now and see how it looks inside. So it's a nice opening there, and we've got here a little card saying welcome to VEENAX. Thank you so much for your trust and support on us. We will do our best to deliver better products and service in future. Well, I think you already are delivering fantastic service and products. So yeah, don't you worry about that, VEENAX. I'm happy with you so far. And then we have the user's guide, which is always important to have just in case. I mean, to be honest with you, most speakers nowadays are pretty easy to use. You connect them to your smart device and you either press it on the speaker itself or you press a button on your smart device. Hopefully the music will just come booming out. We've got a few more specifications here. Anything else that we need to know? The size, 94 millimeters by 45 millimeters, and the weight is 109 grams. Okay then, and the operating range, by the way, is 10 meters. Pretty standard, you know, for most wireless earbuds or even headphones, and of course speakers. So 10 meters range, which it's fairly decent though. Put that there, and this is the speaker itself. And it comes here with a few extra cables. So we've got as usual, micro USB cable. We'll put that there. And of course, it looks like it's the 3.5 millimeter jack in case you want to plug it into something else. And then the speaker itself. So we don't no longer need this box. I'm gonna put that to one side. And we've got a nice bit of plastic wrapping, but again, we don't need that. And here is the speaker itself. Now that, if you take a look at that, straight away, it looks eye-catching, it looks nice, it looks neat, it looks like it's going to be a pleasure to use, and that is what I like about VEENAX. They are not afraid to try something different. Now, I'm not saying it's the most original design ever. I'm sure someone else has even thought of this design in the past, but this is one of the first times I have seen it like this, and I like it. Now, the weight of that is light. That is unbelievably light. And what was it? 109 grams was it? If you put that in your bag, in your hand luggage, you name it, you are not even going to notice anything in terms of weight. Now, as for the build, it's obviously all plastic, but it is coated in a bit of a matte black and textured rubberized finish. So obviously that will help it, you know, not move around so much. And then we've got here a bit of looks like that's where the speaker comes from. I thought it was a bit of a volume control there, but it isn't. It looks like it's all touch controls. That'll be interesting because in the past they can be a bit problematic. We'll test it out on this shortly though. Around the sides again, looks like you've got more holes for speakers or for the sound to come out. And then on the side here, that's where your micro USB cable goes. And then on this one is where your 3.5 millimeter jack or line auxiliary input goes here as well. So now I think the most important thing is, of course, how good is the sound quality that this thing can produce. Let's turn this on and see what happens. Okay then, so Bluetooth on, and we want to make this visible, and it found it. That was fast. Whoa, okay. So turn this down. Oh, nice, yeah. Okay, let's try this out. I don't think you can see that. It is actually moving. It's actually moving. Is that the maximum volume? That's the maximum volume there. Look at it go. I'm loving the bass on that though. You could actually see it vibrating as well, couldn't you? It was that powerful. That's pretty cool. You've got to admit it was nice, crystal clear. The bass was fantastic. It's absolutely phenomenal there. Now, one final thing we need to test out is, of course, the phone quality. When you get a phone call, how good it is in terms of sound quality, how well they sound, and of course, how well I sound whilst I'm speaking to them. So let's make a phone call. Hello?
Hello, you okay?
Yes, how are you doing? I'm sorry to ring you. I was just testing out this speaker.
It's slightly muffled.
I sound slightly muffled.
You do.
Yeah, what if I do this? I'm holding it close to me now. Is that any better?
Louder, but still muffled.
Still muffled. But can you actually understand me fairly if I was trying to say to you, hey, I need some 10x4 wood cutting for precisely £6 per metre?
I can understand that crystal clear.
So that is a bit of a shame there in terms of the phone call quality, but like I said, as long as they can understand you, that's pretty okay. And if you want it more for music, which I'm assuming you would do, then hey, you've got yourself a winner here. It's got great design, it's got a nice feel, it's exceptional. I mean, it's unbelievably light, and I do love the way it was dancing around there from the huge amount of music that it was actually forcing itself to actually beat on the table. Pretty cool. And I really do actually like it. Still, however, if you've got any questions or comments you'd like to ask me about the VEENAX PS10 Bluetooth wireless speaker, then please feel free to put it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you with the answer as quickly as possible. And of course, not forgetting, if you did enjoy this video, then please show your appreciation by giving it a wonderful thumbs up and of course clicking that fantastic subscribe button. But until next time, thank you once again for watching and I'll hopefully see you at some point very soon. Thank you.